Tesla has officially launched in India, opening its first showroom in Mumbai on Tuesday, July 15th. First showroom is in Mac City Mall in BKC, Mumbai. Model launched Tesla Model Y. It will be available in two versions, rear wheel drive and long range rear wheel drive. Pricing: the Model Y starts at approximately 61 lakhs on road, with rear wheel drive version priced around 59.89 lakhs and the long range rear wheel drive variant at 67 lakhs. These prices are significantly higher than in any other market due to India's high import duties. Deliveries: while booking open on July 15, customer deliveries are expected to begin after September 2025. Origin of cars: the cars currently on display and availability for the test drivers are imported from Tesla Shanghai factory. Future plans: a second showroom is expected to open in Delhi NCR by the end of July. Tesla plans to install its V4 superchargers across India before vehicle deliveries begin, with 4 charging stations, 16 superchargers planned for Delhi and at 16 destination chargers across various locations like shopping malls. Currently, Tesla has no immediate plans for manufacturing vehicles in India, focusing on sales through imported models. However, India's new EV policy offers reduced import duties for companies committing to local manufacturing within a few years. Tesla entry in the India market, while long awaited, is seen as a strategic move to test demand in one of the world's fastest growing automobile markets, particularly in the luxury EV segment.